Today, we are taking a close-up look at the Alien Stencil Art Set from the Crayola and McDonald's collaboration. Let's go through what's included, starting with the Alien Stencil design, followed by the printed sheets and accessories. Everything shown here focuses on details, packaging, and overall presentation. Stay tuned for the full close-up review.